Hello, Glamour Moments. Good morning. So we're gonna try this rice mushroom coffee. So bago siya. So I just like bought it in Target and naka-sale naman siya. So let's try and see. Instant na siya. So may mushroom siya. Grown here in the US. So let's see. So how to use it. So i-add lang sa water. Just like a 3-in-1 thing. So mag-energy ka daw. Digestive wellness, immune support. And then tinignan ko din yung nutrition facts niya. Okay naman. Kasi no sugar. 9 gram in carbs niya. So let's see. Let's try. So 5 yung sachet packets niya. Ang ganito. Mushroom coffee. Sa aking Hello Kitty mug. May hot water na tayo naka-ready. And then, stir lang daw. And yun na, ready to drink. So, you can also add milk or creamer probably. Then, taste natin kung anong lasa niya. Tinikman ko, okay naman. Pero gusto ko may coffee mate. Yan. Oops. Mabango siya. Yung vanilla naamoy ko. And smooth naman. Tinikman ko eh. Ayun lang guys. Try natin. In my Hello Kitty cup. Hope you had a good week. Enjoy your day.